Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
In this video,
I will show how to create pads using the up to last option. First, open the Pad 3 Cat part document. You can download the part at the link in the description. Click File on the toolbar. Then click Open, or you can press Ctrl+O. And click Open. Select the circle as the profile to be extruded. Click Pad. The Pad Definition dialog box appears and the application previews a pad with 10 mm as the default dimension value. Click the arrow in the geometry area to reverse the extrusion direction, or click the reverse direction button. In the type field, set the option to up to last. The last face encountered by the extrusion trims the pad. Optionally, click Preview to see the result. Click OK. The pad is created. The specification tree indicates this creation. By default, the application extrudes normal to the plane used to create the profile. In the next video, I will explain how to create pads using the up to plane option. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.